Hey guys, what's up? I am back with another video. So in this video I have the all new Vivo V27e, which is a new high-end mid-range phone from Vivo, which is costing around 1,20,000 PKR in the Pakistan market. So in this price range we have 8 GB of RAM with a 256 GB of internal storage, and the color I have is the lavender purple color, and this phone is manufactured in Pakistan, which is a good thing. And now let's remove the plastic. Now let's open this box, and the box looks very similar to the previous Vivo V25e. So when you open the box, the first thing we are getting our device V27e in the purple color. As you can see, here is a V27e looks like. So on the back we have this pattern. On the back we have a triple cameras, 64 megapixel main camera with the aura light, which is a small ring light. We have a 2 megapixel macro and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. So no ultra wide lens on this phone, which is a really disappointing thing in the 1,20,000 PKR price tag. And the back of this phone, it is made up of glass, and the frame of this phone is made up of plastic. So now let's quickly boot this phone up. On the front we have a screen protector, which is already installed. So now let's see what else we get. And then the phone we have soft silicone case, which is hard. From the sides we have our quick start guide. Here is our very big Vivo flash charger, which is humming at 80 watt, but the Vivo V27e maximum support 66 watt, but in the box we are getting 80 watt fast charger, which is a nice thing. Also we have our USB type C to USB A cable. Also we have a SIM ejection tool, as you can see, but this time we does not get any hand-free or any headphone jack connector, which you find on the previous Vivo V25e. So now let's put all these things to the side. Now let's see the physical overview of this phone. So on the bottom we have our speaker grill, USB type C port, main microphone, as well as SIM tray. So now let's look at the SIM tray, and we should see hybrid SIM slot. So you can use one micro SD card with one nano SIMs or two nano SIMs at the same time. Also inside the SIM tray we have rubber, which is a good thing. So on this side we have nothing. So on the top we have noise cancellation microphone. On this side we have volume up and volume down rocker, as well as a power on button. Again we have a triple cameras on the back. Overall I am really liking the design language of the Vivo V27e, especially this pattern on the back looks absolutely beautiful. And now let's talk about the display. And this phone has a 6.6-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED with 120Hz refresh rate. Also we have a center punch hole on this phone, and thank God this time we are getting a punch hole, not a water drop notch. Also you can see in the bottom chain it is smaller as compared to the previous Vivo V25e. Also this phone also has IP54 water and dust resistance, which is a nice addition. So now let's quickly set up this phone up, and then we will continue. And guys, here is the first boot of the Vivo V27e. And guys, in the first impression about the display quality, this phone has an AMOLED with 120Hz refresh rate. Display looks quite bright. So here is a notification panel looks like. So now let's go to the settings, and now let's go about phone. So this phone is running on Android 13. This phone is powered by MediaTek Helio G99 SoC with 8 GB of RAM and a 256 GB of internal storage, and out of 231 GB it is available for you guys. So now let's hit the fingerprint scanner. And fingerprint scanner, it feels really fast, no issue whatsoever. And this phone has a triple cameras on the back. So here is our macro mode, which uses a 2 megapixel macro lens, our portrait mode, night mode, and with the portrait and with the photo mode we have this AI mode. So now let's go to the video section. So the back camera maximum shoot Full HD at 60 fps, no 4K on this phone. And also we have a stabilization on the back, because we also have optical image stabilization with the main 64 megapixel camera. micro movie. In the mode section we have 64 megapixel mode, we have pro mode, we have slow motion, dual view mode, also have a dual exposure mode. So now let's look at the front facing camera. So this phone has a 32 megapixel selfie camera, f2.5 aperture. We have our portrait mode, night mode, and the front camera also shoot full HD at 30 fps, and micro movie and slow motion it is. So guys, now let's talk about the battery size. And this phone has 4600 mAh battery size with a 66 watt fast charging. So this phone should give you at least 1.5 days of battery life on light use without any problem. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this video. So do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos like this, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well. And I will see you in my next video. Peace out.